Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the discussion of how to teach yourself to code. So, the first thing that I think is very important is to know if you really want to learn to code or if you really want that as profession or hobby. And to know if you really like that, it's very important to actually learn it. So I will start with that point. Also, it's very important to choose the right programming languages. Some programming languages are more complex than others, so there is no best programming language, but they are some easiest programming languages than others. So I will suggest you to start with some HTML, CSS to create a simple web page and start applying some styles in there. And then when you are familiar with that, you can start getting familiar with some other languages. That it could be Python, that is a very simple language compared to other languages. And you can start from there and then move on to other things because it's very broad, and so you maybe want to start focusing in something specific, like learning some JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and then you can have like a hint of what is everything about, and from then you can choose the path that you want. If you want to be like a front-end developer, a back-end developer, or full stack developer. After you have that basic information, then you can try to start some online courses. I recommend you start with video courses because you can have like a really sense of what is happening in there. You can see like the explanation and everything. Articles for me are not preferred for starting learning coding because we miss different details in there. So start online courses is very important. You can buy courses from Udemy or Pluralsight, but you can also see free courses on YouTube and go from there to start learning or paying other courses in other platforms. So basically, once you learn something, go back to the basics and try to learn the theory and what mean everything. I will say that hearing audiobooks or podcasts is a very good form of learning theory and what is happening right now on the world, the tendencies that we are having in the field. So I think that after that you can see some audiobooks and podcasts related to that. There are many other ways or steps beside this, but I think that these ones are a good way to start digging into the field of programming. So let me know on the comment sections what other things you recommend to start into code. Bye!